5 motorsport-inspired Audi R8s are set to be offered in Britain. The vehicle Audi is asking its maximum successful and focus to date. The confined-run supercar, of which most effective 44 can be produced global, provides a number of performance components which increase downforce and drop weight, while the power determined remains similar to the R8 plus 600 HP figure. The additions are just cosmetic, even though, as well as the Auto's weight reduction plan, the improvements are stated to improve cornering ability. The wind tunnel advanced bodykit provides a big constant rear wing and diffuser, in addition to facet skirts and more elements at the back of the wheel arches and at the front of the automobile to in addition direct airflow via and around the auto. There may be additionally a large front splitter reminiscent of the Audi R8 GT3 racing car. The changes carry and boom in downforce at 93 mph. Downforce is doubled from the same old R8 V10 plus discerned to 115 pounds. At the same time as at 205 mph the car generates 550 pounds, which is 220 pounds more than the usual model. Lightweight 20-inch wheels in addition shave 17 pounds from the Auto, even as fully adjustable, lightweight 3-way coilover suspension setup is likewise outfitted, together with ceramic brake discs and specifically enhanced brake pads. A sports activities exhaust, and an indoors trimmed with satisfactory Nappa leather, and fitted with bucket seats, MMI navigation, Audi Connect online services and the completely virtual Audi Virtual Cockpit completes the car. The motors have not offered out, but, even though in the time it's taken us to write this story, that could very well have changed. All 5 right-hand power United Kingdom examples are available from any person of Audi's 115 showrooms national, at a rate of $76,560, kind of $234,000 at the current trade charges. Now, prevent wasting your time on the net. Get all the way down to your nearby Audi provider before it's too overdue.